Hello students, in this video I will talk about writing skills. Writing skills carry 16 marks in the board exam. 4A carries 4 marks, 4B carries 4 marks, 4C carries 4 marks and 4D carries 4 marks. In this particular video I am talking about review of a movie which is under the heading 4D. There you have three questions. You can either attempt appeal, blog or review. Now, what is review of a movie? Review gives you an opportunity to express personal view, opinion about the movie, including its characters, plot and background. Now, the most important thing I would like to tell you all, watch the movie thrice. You are willing to attempt this question. Remember it if you really want to attempt it. The first option should be a movie which you like the most. The second option, a movie made for children. And the third is documentary. Prepare all three of them, students. Now the question comes how to write the review of the movie. The 7 points given there will be there in the question paper. So you need not worry at all. The very first hint is significance of the title. So there you will write about the title and what does it mean. The second one is storyline or theme. There you will write about the story, the theme of the movie. The third is the cast, characters, major and minor. Here you will write down about the actor, actresses and the role played by them and they were known by which name in the movie. The next topic is special features where you will write down about the music, dance, song, story writer, producer, director, lyricist. The next heading is the setting or location. Where did the shooting of the movie take place? Next heading is message. The seventh one is why did you like or you did not like this particular movie? The first answer which I have written is about Sholay. And in the same manner, I have written the title, storyline, cast, characters. The next I have written about the special features. They have also mentioned that in Minerva Theatre, Mumbai was continuously shown for 5 years. The next heading, set, location, message, why I like the movie. The second question which I have attempted is about review of Roti, Kapda or Makan. Here also I have written the title, I have written about the storyline, then I have written about the cast, awards. Note in that I have written something special about the movie. This is the only movie where Manoj Kumar and Amitabh Bachchan have worked together. What message the movie has to convey? The third one is review of Three Idiots. There also, once again, I have written the title, theme, dialogue, cast, music, awards, where did the shooting take place. Thank you, students. The movie can be in English, the movie can be in Hindi, but no other language. Once again, I'm repeating, the movie can be in Hindi, the movie can be in English. Don't write about a movie which was made in a regional language. Thank you, students.